The icon shown here will have a blue circle around it when the car is put into full self-driving mode. If I turn the steering wheel or touch the brake, the blue circle will disappear and the car will go back to manual mode with me in full control of it. This video is not clips, it's one continuous drive, it's a short drive, from a parking lot in some moderate rain to my house. What's interesting here is it's showing that poor weather detected on the screen. The navigate on autopilot is unavailable, yet FSD seems to be working fine. I mean, it's a little jittery. It's trying to figure out where things are in the parking lot, but it's getting through it fine.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Mayo Street.
The car didn't know what to do here. It had me take over, which I safely did. Going back and looking at the video, what I think happened is the car may not have been sure if it was in the correct lane and thought it might be in an oncoming traffic lane, looking at how it drew the yellow line in the middle of the screen. So it did the appropriate thing and immediately had me take over for safety. And here, the car appeared to want to incorrectly go into the left turn lane instead of the right, so I corrected it and pushed the report file button. Stepped on the accelerator back there, not realizing that I had it set at 10 mile an hour. That's why it wasn't going faster. stepped on the accelerator there because it wanted to stop for that second stop sign. Stepped on the accelerator again, so it
In
wouldn't stop at
500
that stop
feet,
sign.
turn left onto Glickhart Drive. Now turn left onto Glickhart Drive. In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.